How to set a voicemail in Android phone. To do that, what you can simply do is go on this phone icon, which is on your device. It can be anywhere on your device. For me, it is on the downside. After I click on this, on the middle side, I will see a dial pad, and when I tap on that, the numbers will be popped up on my screen. So after I do that, when I tap on the one button, my voicemail would be on. So this is the number I selected for my voicemail. So for many people, one number works if they are in the same country as I am. But the voicemail is different for different countries, and for that you should do your own research. So the same number does not work for every person. So you can just Google it or do a little bit research to find which number works for voicemail on your device, on your phone, according to the place you are residing on. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.